A few buttons to look at are Pictometry, Zoom to Coordinate, and Place Search located in the bottom left-hand corner of your screen. Clicking on the Pictometry icon will open a Pictometry window for the map center, same as the camera next to the Pictometry layer within the legend. Next is Zoom to Coordinate. Select the appropriate coordinate system and type in longitude and latitude, then select OK. This will place a marker on the map at the location you have entered. If at any time you're interested in clearing this marker, you may select Clear and then close the dialog box. Finally, you may utilize the Place Search. Begin typing an address or the name of a place, and then select from the drop-down. This will place a tag on the map for the place you have chosen.